Hello, I am Ram Singh Tomar, Senior Technical Officer, working at ICMR National Institute of Malaria Research and in charge of Central Instrumentation Facility, which is CIF, where we are having precious and essential equipments in centralized facility for malaria research. The scientists and researchers are availing this facility and performing their qualitative research in CIF. I was working at ICMR National Institute of Virology, Pune since 1993. Where I had been given opportunity to work in WHO virus reference laboratories and learned tissue culture techniques for establishment and characterization of cell lines in vitro virus isolation through different animals, human, monkey and fish tissue culture. Also established revival techniques from cryopreservation cell lines and isolated many viruses by using in vitro and in vivo techniques from the field samples. Apart of the important techniques applied in virology, I also compiled technical manuals for preparation of reagents, growth medium and serum from goat sample. During my 27 years of long services, I was associated with senior scientists and published research paper, abstract and submitted poster in many prestigious scientific and technical conferences. I have also standardized SOP, which is Standard Operating Procedure for Test Research, and DRS, which is Data Recording Sheets for Research Equipments, which was recognized by WHO. Also undergone WHO training in India and abroad for implementation of research techniques. NABL accreditation and designing of research laboratories according to research flow is also my expertise.
ICMR National Institute of Malaria Research has established a laboratory with modern equipments as central instrumentation facility. In centralized facility, all essential equipments has been installed for implementing basic and advanced techniques. The researchers are utilizing this facility for quantitative malaria research. In this facility, we are having liquid chromatography mass spectrometer, which is LCMS, that combines the physical separation capability of liquid chromatography with the mass analysis capability of mass spectrometer. Another precious equipment is flow cytometry, which is called FACS. This equipment is basically used for fluorescence activated cell sorting. The basic principle of this equipment is the passage of cell in single file in front of a laser, so they can be detected, counted and sorted. Cell components are fluorescently labeled and then excited by the laser to eliminate light at varying wavelength detected by the detector. Another important equipment is liquid handling system. Researchers can use this as handling robot for automation of biological samples, chemicals and reagents. It is a robot that dispenses selected quantity of reagents, samples and other liquids to a designated container without any volume error. We are also having PCR, thermocycler and RT-PCR machine for high quality molecular research along with normal and refrigerated high speed centrifuges for preparation of molecular products. After preparing pre and post molecular products, the researchers are using the sequencing facility, which is made non-Toronto Sequence company, for sequencing their products and validate qualitative research. Another equipment is highly performance liquid chromatography, which is called HPLC. This equipment can separate different constituents of the component by using high pressure to push solvent through the column. It is a most widely used techniques to identify, quantify and separate component from a mixture. Many more other equipments yet to be installed in this facility according to requirement in future. We are having set SOP, which is called Standard Operating Procedure, and Data Recording Sheets, which is called DRSs, for research equipments as per the international standard. We are also having cold room facility attached with the facility and an additional UPS backup in case of any electrical failure. The director of this institute is committed for elimination of malaria by 2030 from the country. Thank you.